Hi guys, let's quickly make our drips. Okay, someone commented that she wanted to know how to make drips. Here, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Sorry, I didn't video it properly. Mix vigorously very well and make sure there is no lumps. In fact, I prefer to sieve. I sieve my icing sugar and my cocoa powder. Mix and pour into your piping bag. Some people drip with spoon. I don't know how to do it. If I do it, I will mess up the cake. So I pour into my piping bag, but that piping bag will have tiny mouth, very tiny. I'll push it down and I'll start dripping. I'll first go round, then I'll come back again. It's on that second one that I'll come back that I'll now start giving it the pattern I want. Sometimes I do 2 long 1 short, sometimes I do 3 long 2 short, depending, just freelance, however I want to do it, also depending on the size of the cake. More so, note, this is not chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache is made with chocolate and cream. You can also drip with chocolate, but I think this one was manufactured when in the event that you don't have chocolate you use this one. Cheers, see you in the next class. Bye.